What's up friends, Andrew here. Welcome back to Joe Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to order Uber for someone. So let's say you want to order a trip for someone, open up the app and on the home, just simply tap on where to. You can fill in the details of where the pickup is going to be, which is the current location of the person, and also you want to add where the person is going. Right now on the upper right hand side, you will see it says for me. But if you click the drop down, you can choose a group or a new contact. Go ahead and basically fill in the new contact details there. You can start now. You can basically allow, you can search for the contact in your phone. Once you find that person in your phone, you can select that person and then you can choose that person as the contact. And once you go ahead and complete all the details there, then you'll be able to book the trip for that person. But don't forget, you have to click the drop down and select that person as a contact to be able to book the ride for them. And that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple.